The Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G is an impressive mid-range powerhouse that combines performance, display quality, and endurance in one sleek package. It features a 120Hz FHD plus Super AMOLED display, delivering vibrant colors, deep contrast, and ultra-smooth visuals for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 Pro C+ processor, paired with 16 GB of RAM and a massive 1 TB of internal storage, ensuring lightning-fast multitasking and ample space for apps, media, and files. Photography enthusiasts will enjoy the 200MP main camera, capable of capturing highly detailed photos in diverse lighting conditions. Keeping the device running all day is a huge 7,500 mAh battery, complemented by 45W fast charging to get you powered up quickly when needed. With this combination of top-tier specs, the Galaxy J15 Prime 5G offers a compelling mix of performance, camera power, display quality, and battery endurance for users looking for a feature-rich smartphone experience.